नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विश्वनाथ तंबाखे सर. आज आपण या भागात इयत्ता 9वीतील इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट 1.2 द फन दे हॅड या पाठातील चिटचाट, वॉर्मिंग अप, इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप या भागांचा अभ्यास पाहणार आहोत. चिटचाट क्वेश्चन 1. व्हॉट डू यू लाईक बेस्ट अबाउट युअर स्कूल? तुम्हाला तुमच्या शाळेबद्दल सर्वात जास्त काय आवडतं? आन्सर: I love the teachers and the surrounding of the school very much. Question 2. Do you think school is fun? तुम्हाला असं वाटतं का की शाळा ही एक मज्जा आहे म्हणून? Yes, school is very interesting place where we can play and enjoy. Question next. Which is the part that you don't like? शाळेचा असा कोणता भाग आहे की जे तुम्हाला मुळीच आवडत नाही? Sitting in one place for 5 to 6 hours I don't like. Next question. How often should the teacher give you a test? तुमचे शिक्षक तुम्हाला टेस्ट किती वेळा देतात? आन्सर: टीचर gives us weekly test. Next, classify. Listen carefully and write each word in the appropriate column or columns. लक्षपूर्वक ऐका आणि खालील शब्द खालीलप्रमाणे योग्य त्या कॉलममध्ये भरा. एन्शियंट म्हणजे पुरातन, मॉडर्न म्हणजे आधुनिक आणि फ्युचरिस्टिक म्हणजे भविष्यकालीन. एन्शियंट: बुलक कार्ड्स, अम्ब्रेलाज, अर्थन स्टोव्ज, जिओग्राफी, हॉर्स ड्रॉन कॅरेज, बॉल पेन्स, स्कूल, टांगा, ॲक्सेस, मोटर अँड पेस्टल, हॉट एअर बलून्स, टेस्ट अँड कॅन्डल्स. दीज आर द वर्ड्स विच वेअर यूज्ड इन एन्शियंट. आता मॉडर्न म्हणजेच आधुनिक काळातील शब्द बघूयात. बायसिकल, टार रोड्स, शिप्स, कम्प्युटर्स, ऑडिओ व्हिडिओ कॅसेट्स, टेलिफोन, वॅक्यूम क्लीनर, अम्ब्रेलाज, फॅन्स, टेलिव्हिजन, विंडमिल्स, अर्थ मूव्हर्स, मोबाईल फोन्स, ब्रशेस, नोटबुक्स, वॉटर ऑन टॅब, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक लॅम्प, एअर कंडिशनर, एरोप्लेन्स, कॅमेराज आणि हेडफोन्स हे सर्व शब्द आधुनिक काळातील आहेत. यानंतर फ्युचरिस्टिक्स या कॉलममध्ये कोणते शब्द येतात हे पाहूयात. फ्लॉपी डिस्क, बुलेट ट्रेन्स, रोबोट्स, स्पेसशिप्स, मायक्रोबायोलॉजी, फ्लाइंग कार्स आणि सोलर लॅम्प्स हे भविष्यकालीन शब्द आहेत. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2. लिसन टू द प्रोनाउन्सिएशन ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स अँड प्रॅक्टिस सेईंग देम प्रॉपरली. पुढील शब्दांचे उच्चार ऐका आणि नंतर त्या शब्दांच्या योग्य उच्चार करण्याचा सराव करा. 1. ग्रँडफादर, जिओग्राफी, सॅटिस्फॅक्टरी, सुपेरियर, प्रोनाउन्सिंग, बेटच्या आणि नॉनचालंटली. वरील शब्द उच्चार ऐका व वारंवार म्हणा, सराव करा. नेक्स्ट, मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स. क्वेश्चन 1. When does the story take place? ही गोष्ट कधी घडली? आन्सर: The story takes place in the year 2157. Question 2. What does Margie mean by a real book? Answer: Books that have printed pages and are bound in covers and referred as a real book by Margie. Question 3. Margie and Tommy use telebooks. What are they like? Answer: Telebooks are different from real books. They are like electronic texts which can be read on a big smart screen. Question 4. Margie uses a diary. What would it like? Answer: The diary that Margie uses would be like an electronic diary which would be different from regular paper diaries of today. Question 5. What do we understand by the words took the teacher apart? Answer: The words took the teacher apart mean disassembling mechanical teacher, which was a large and black computer with a big screen. Question 6. Which part of the machine did Margie hate most? Answer. Margie hated the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. Question 7. What fault did the inspector repair? Answer. The county inspector repaired the geography sector of the machine, which was adjusted to a higher level. He slowed it to an average 10-year level. Question 8. What is Margie like as a student? Bright, average, or below average? Answer. Margie is an average student and the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory. Question 9. Do you think the school described in this book existed centuries ago? Answer. Yes, the school described in the book existed centuries ago. Question 10. Do you think Tommy likes the school in the olden days? Answer. Yes, Tommy likes the school in the olden days. Next, question number 11. Is Tommy Margie's brother or friend? Find the sentences that help you to decide that. Answer. Tommy is Margie's friend. The following sentences from the chapter helped me to decide. 1. But my mother says teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. 2. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. Question 12. Would you like your own mechanical teacher? Answer. I would not always like to be taught by mechanical teacher because it has certain disadvantages in comparison to a human teacher. Mechanical computer can never be helpful and interactive like a human teacher. Question number 13. Do you agree with Margie? Answer. Yes, I do agree with her. Old schools or real schools follow the best system of teaching. Question 14. What changes would you like to see in your own school? Answer. I would like to see the following changes in my own school. 1. My school should have more fun learning activities. 2. Arts and music classes should become more interesting. 3. Should arrange more tutorial classes. And 4. Should not burden the students with extra homework. Question number 5. Do you have fun playing or studying with your friends? Answer. Yes. I always have fun when I play or study with my friends. For me, it is impossible to imagine playing without friends. I always prefer studying in groups because in this way I quickly learn the things and easily remember them. Next, question number 16. Do you play outdoor games? Answer. Yes, I play outdoor games like cricket, kabaddi, kho and football. Question 16. Do you have fun playing video or mobile games? Which game do you play? Answer. Yes, I have fun playing video or mobile games. I prefer to play following video games like Temple Run, Super Mario and Clash of Clans. Next, English workshop. Question 1. Use the proper punctuation marks. A. Where did you find it? Answer. Where did you find it? B. What is it about? Answer. What's it about? C. They had a teacher. Answer. They had a teacher. D. How could a man be a teacher? Answer. How could a man be a teacher? E. Sure, if they were the same age. Answer. Sure, if they were the same age. Question number 2. The following sentences have an unusual meaning in the context of the story. Write what these sentences would mean today and what they mean in the context of the story. A. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. Today's meaning, the teacher who may be a man or woman would be dismissed from his or her duties. Contextual meaning, she would take away a computer or a machine. B. They had taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month. Answer. Today's meaning, Tommy had no teacher in his classroom for a month. Contextual meaning Tommy's computer was taken away. C. It wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Answer. Today's meaning the man cannot be a regular teacher. Contextual meaning it was not a mechanical teacher or computer but a man as a teacher. D. How could a man be a teacher? Today's meaning a man cannot be a teacher. Contextual meaning a computer can only be a teacher. E. A teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches. Answer. Today's meaning an individual who is a teacher or he or she must teach according to the student's mental ability. Contextual meaning a computer or a mechanical teacher has to be adjusted according to the mind of the student who would use it. Next, question 3. Write words related to the following words, at least 10 words each. 1. Book. The words should be related for the book. Answer. Book, pages, reading, cover, paper, thick, thin, writing, new, and old. Words related for school, playground, teacher, class, students, blackboard, chair, benches, tables, chairs, charts, dusters, and principal. Now, words related for family, big, home, small, gathering, enjoy, relatives, parents, sister, cousin, and neighbors. Number 4. Discuss how would you like to learn from a human teacher or a mechanical teacher. Present your arguments in the form of a chart. तुम्हाला मानवी शिक्षकांकडून शिकायला आवडेल की मेकॅनिकल शिक्षकांकडून शिकायला आवडेल याच्याबद्दल चर्चा करा आणि खालील कॉलममध्ये माहिती भरा. एका कॉलममध्ये ह्युमन टीचरची माहिती त्यामध्ये ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आणि डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस भरायचे आहेत तर दुसऱ्या भागात मेकॅनिकल टीचरची माहिती त्यामध्ये ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आणि डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस या स्वरूपात माहिती भरायची आहे. कॉलम 1 ह्युमन टीचर त्यामध्ये ॲडव्हान्टेजेस बघूयात. इंटरॅक्टिव्ह, हेल्पफुल, सपोर्टिव्ह, करेजियस आणि केअरिंग. त्याचेच डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस पाहूयात. नॉट अवेलेबल, इन ऑल टाईम, टेक्स टाईम टू ॲक्सेस, लिमिटेड नॉलेज. आता मेकॅनिकल टीचरचे ॲडव्हान्टेजेस आणि डिसॲडव्हान्टेजेस पाहूयात. प्रथम ॲडव्हान्टेजेस फुल ऑफ नॉलेज, इझिली अवेलेबल एव्हरीवेअर, क्विक अँड रिस्पॉन्सिव्ह. आता डिसॲडव्हान्टेज पाहूयात. बोरिंग, नॉट इंटरॅक्टिव्ह, नो फिलिंग्स आणि नॉट सपोर्टिव्ह. नेक्स्ट question number 5. Write the following using complete words instead of contracted form. खालील दिलेल्या वाक्यातील संक्षिप्त रूपांऐवजी पूर्ण शब्दांचा वापर करून वाक्य पुन्हा लिहा. A. When you are through. Answer. When you are through. B. And it's good for plenty more. Answer. And it is good for plenty more. C. I wouldn't throw it away. Answer. I would not throw it away. D. She hadn't seen as many telebooks. Answer. She had not seen as many telebooks. E. What's it about? Answer. What is it about? F. I have slowed it up. Answer. I have slowed it up. G. I don't know. Answer. I do not know. H. It wasn't a regular teacher. Answer. It was not a regular teacher. Question 6. Underline the verbs and choose the correct option from the bracket. A. Margie even dash about it. Present tense, past tense. Answers are given in the colorful words. Margie even wrote about it. In this sentence, the verb wrote is in past tense. Second, today Tommy found a new book. In this sentence, found the verb is in past tense. Third, my father knows as much as teacher. In this sentence, the verb knows is in present tense. Next, B. Margie was scornful. In this sentence, the verb was is a singular word. Second, this is the old kind of school. In this sentence, is a singular verb. Next, and the teacher were people. In this sentence, the verb were is a plural word.